first exclusive video for Ortana Gang. It's a 78 Bronco. It doesn't even have a track bar bracket bolt in it. We're going to put one in. Premium in it because it's been sitting for 2 years. A little dirty. That's what fuel filters are for. Well, since Rough Country makes literal garbage, and this is back against the frame and did not line up even remotely, it has a new hole. Garbage. But maybe it won't wiggle down the road. Alright, it's not the right nut.
It's definitely not the right.
That's fine. I'll get another bolt.
You may have totaled the bolt.
That's fine. I have other bolts. It's all good.
Wrench. We're different size, bud. And a little bit of slop.
Yeah, but at least the nut threads on.
Yeah. Looks like a worn out hooker's foot. Alright, you're crushing it.
Perfect. You know what happens when you're crushing it? It means it's tight.
Just like a cross thread's a tight thread. Just in Scott's yard.
Pretty much.
Not an off-road situation.
It could be.
But it's better than nothing.
Shit.
I cut that off and look factory.
Oh yeah.
So last night, we did a video of putting that bolt in the track bar bracket because this thing's a little squirrely going down the road. I don't know if that was the major issue, but there's no sense in it not having a bolt there, even though it's got two that go into the frame that are behind the shock. I think the bigger issue is because when they put the lift kit on, they didn't put new C bushings in, which these Broncos, if you lift them and you don't put those C bushings in, it doesn't lean the axle back far enough and your caster's off. And when you go to steer it and give it a suggestion, it takes it and runs with it. So, and last night, somebody came to look at it and they're gonna buy it. And I told them that this is what he needs to do, is put these in. The previous owner, he didn't drive this on the road ever, and I think he hasn't driven it at all in 2 years. So I bought it from him last week and got it running and driving and everything. It's a 78 351M, and it runs good now. But when I got it, we had to work to get up on the trailer. But these C bushings here, they're 7-degree bushings, and they'll actually lean the axle back. And if you see, all four of them are the same. But if this is on the rear of the axle, it's on the bottom. So if it's on the front of the axle, this side's on the bottom. So basically you'd have this and this on the back side on both sides, leaning the axle back. So I told him that once he gets it home, he'll get home all right. Once he gets it home, that to put those in will probably drive better. I bought it last week, not really knowing what I wanted to do with it. It's pretty solid other than that. But as you can see, I have more than enough toys to keep me occupied. So I'm passing it on to my buddy and his girlfriend because she really wants it for summer cruising. I'm probably going to regret it because I don't think I'll be able to come across one of these in this good a shape probably ever again, unless the prices ever come down on them. But Yeah, that's what we were doing yesterday. I'm still not quite sure how this whole YouTube thing's gonna work out, but here's the first video I'm gonna put on it. After that, maybe we'll do like fix the Toyota video, because we went wheeling this past weekend and I broke stuff. The hub let loose, so it was 3-wheel drive when it wanted to work, and then I think that one went out later. But before even any of that occurred, the CO2 tank that powers the lockers, relief valve just kind of said, nah. So no lockers for me all day. Maybe that'll be the next video. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna go. I have an iPhone and I don't know how to edit stuff, and I just pretty much put it in a thing, and now I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Other people do it. Why can't I? And off to the new owner it goes.